Lavender. The name alone conjures images of purple fields and calming scents. This plant, a gift from nature, holds a special place in our hearts and homes. For centuries, we've cherished lavender for its fragrance. We use it in perfumes, soaps, and even baked goods. Beyond its aroma, lavender is a hardworking plant. It is a natural insect repellent, keeping our gardens healthy. It is used in aromatherapy to help us relax and find peace. And in the kitchen, lavender adds a unique floral note to teas, honey, and even savory dishes. From field to factory, the journey of lavender is one of transformation. It starts with the careful tending of the plants, ensuring they grow strong and vibrant. Then comes the harvest, a time of celebration and hard work. The process, once done entirely by hand, now incorporates modern technology. Large farms rely on machines to harvest the lavender quickly and efficiently, ensuring the highest quality product. Lavender's journey is a beautiful blend of tradition and innovation. Harvesting lavender is a precise task, timed perfectly with the plant's blooming cycle. In the past, this was done by hand, a labor-intensive process. Today, large lavender farms utilize specialized machinery to streamline the harvest. Enter the lavender harvester, a marvel of agricultural engineering. This machine moves through the rows of lavender, its cutting blades slicing through the stalks with precision. The cut lavender is then gently lifted and transferred to a trailing wagon. These harvesters are often self-propelled or towed by tractors, efficiently covering vast fields in a fraction of the time it would take by hand. This speed is crucial for preserving the quality of the lavender. The quicker the lavender is harvested and processed, the more potent and vibrant its fragrance and essential oils will be. This efficient harvest is essential for meeting the global demand for this fragrant treasure. Once the lavender arrives from the field, the journey continues. The next step is separating the delicate lavender flowers from their stalks. This is another area where technology plays a crucial role, ensuring efficiency and minimizing waste. Large-scale lavender processing facilities use specialized machines for this task. These machines gently thresh the lavender, separating the flowers from the stalks without damaging the delicate buds. After separation, the lavender flowers undergo a cleaning process. This removes any remaining debris, such as leaves or stems, ensuring that only the purest lavender buds move on to the next stage. This meticulous cleaning process is essential for maintaining the quality and purity of the final product, whether it's dried lavender for potpourri or essential oil for aromatherapy. Section 4. The essence of efficiency, shelling and packaging. With the lavender flowers clean and separated, the journey continues to the heart of the processing plant. Here, the essential oil, the true treasure of the lavender plant, is extracted. This is done through a process called steam distillation. Large stainless steel vats, specifically designed for essential oil extraction, are used in this process. Steam is gently passed through the lavender flowers, releasing the fragrant oil. This oil is then collected, cooled, and separated from the water, resulting in pure lavender essential oil. The remaining lavender flowers, while devoid of most of their oil, are not wasted. They're often dried and used in products like potpourri, sachets, and even culinary lavender. The final step involves packaging. Whether it's essential oil in amber bottles or dried lavender in fragrant sachets, careful packaging ensures the product's longevity and preserves its precious aroma. Section 5. Technologies embrace a bountiful future for lavender. The journey of lavender from field to factory is a testament to the harmony between nature and technology. While the lavender plant itself remains a gift from the earth, our ability to cultivate, harvest, and process it on a large scale is made possible by advancements in agriculture and manufacturing. Heavy machinery ensures a timely and efficient harvest, maximizing the quality and quantity of the yield. Sophisticated processing equipment allows for the extraction of pure, essential oil while minimizing waste. This blend of tradition and innovation ensures that we can continue to enjoy the many benefits of lavender. As technology continues to evolve, we can look forward to even more sustainable and efficient ways to share the gift of lavender with the world.